Sorry, madam. You mind coming over this side? Everyone ready? No, wait.
Okay.
I'm waiting for questions.
You're sorting out? Yeah, good. Okay, everyone?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
what is the verdict?
That is correct.
Well, the magistrate has determined that the state has, in fact, presented enough facts that constitute a reasonable suspicion that an offense was committed. All of you were there. You know that she did not in any way deal with the issue of what actually Mawarire said about violence, no burning things, stay at home. She steered clear of that. But we can't say we are surprised by the decision because we have had a pattern from all the lawyers that are handling these cases throughout the country of every magistrate in different provinces doing exactly the same thing. Accused